In fulfillment of his statutory responsibilities, the member representing Ogbia Federal Constituency in the House of Representatives, Chief Mitema Obodor, has facilitated a robust certification agri training for over 500 rural farmers across communities in Ogbia local government area of Bayelsa State to scale up their knowledge in modern agricultural techniques for enhanced productivity.
So this is our very fertilizer. But at times, what we do, because some of these things, when we use them, we don't know how to wash them. As we don't use our finish, we go drop them. And when we don't drop this thing now, we go use our own for another thing.
The program, which is geared towards boosting food security in Ogbia Federal Constituency, was organized in collaboration with National Center for Agricultural Mechanization and Inspirational Technology Limited. Provision was made for farming inputs such as hybrid cassava stems, Wellington boots, machetes, spray cans, amongst others, to aid demonstration of the farming models that will be explored by the instructors. The federal lawmaker also granted the trainees 25 million naira, as 50,000 naira was disbursed to each of them.
The farmers were carefully selected from across the 13 wards of Ogbia, and so every community in Ogbia local government, Ogbia Federal Constituency, is represented in that place. Rural farmers are to benefit from a training and then funds that we release to them, just to support them. These are peasant farmers, people farming for subsistence level. But time will come, by the grace of God, we'll begin to push them to some level of commercial farming.
Honorable Mitema Obodor, is so much interested in making sure that the food security is ensured in Nigeria. That's why he's empowering the grassroots farmer, not a glorified farmer. Grassroots people that are truly practicing farming. That's why we give them all the necessary requirements to make them successful and a certain amount of money to keep the body and soul together.
Presently now, chemical save the cost. It will really help me as I dey home where I dey farm. Cassava farm, they use them for gari and fufu. How you go carry benefit us? You go benefit the Bayelsans because next year Christmas, I know we'll get to go struggle to go find gari to buy again. I get to produce my gari to give another person with no farm to buy.
Of course, we are feeling very happy, and Chief Mitema Obodor is a very good man. He has always been continuing doing this several years. Even last year too, he did it. Year before last, we did it. And so many of the grassroots, they are very happy.
Earlier, Chief Obordor had embarked on interventions in the health sector by donating medical essentials to the primary health care facilities at Otuopoti and Onwebum communities. Indigents voiced their collective appreciations over his resolve to prioritize their well-being.
We were voted in to serve our people, and health is very essential. Health is key. We are all aware that without health, you are nothing. It is said that health is wealth. So we looked at it. There is no way we can just invite people, gather them, and start administering drugs. That would be abuse of drugs. We have to channel these drugs to the health facilities and let the professionals themselves administer when anybody is sick.
I want to say a very big thank you to him because he has done so well. He's not doing it to only Otopoti. I understand that he's still doing it to Opome. So, as Director of Primary Health Care, I've been contacted to see how these drugs are delivered to the primary health center, and the community members should have access to these drugs. Nobody should pay a dime. It should be free. Whenever they are sick or a child is sick or anybody is sick, pregnant women, men, elderly, disabled, should come for those services and access the services in the health facility.
It's like they say, health is wealth. And as God is protecting us spiritually, our case the fourth, which is Obordor, has deemed it fit to protect us physically.
Because so many places we do buy it, and he said that we should not buy. So we are very happy for him, and we declare for the community and Honorable Motogori that anyone that is sick, we don't pray for sickness, but anyone that is sick should come out to be free.
In a related development, In honoring his long-standing vow of offering appreciation to God by way of thanksgiving, Chief Obordor led his family, friends, and political associates to church as he solemnly expressed gratitude to the Almighty for the grace to navigate an eventful year while serving his people.
He's been a grassroots politician, and his people loved him because of the dividend of democracy always attract to his people. He has been on ground. He has been attracting projects to his constituents, and it's always very important that when the people give it to you, you give it back to society. So I think what he has done today tells more of what people are going to do for him.
And so we decided to come to Olebri today to say thank you, Lord, for all your goodness, for giving us life, for the position we occupy, election victory, and all that he's been doing for us, keeping us safe.
From Ogbia local government area, Allah Delight Publicity Services.